Okay, so now we still want to look at the sphere surface. Okay, but I want to make a comparison. Okay, so let's say you have the previous example, which is the equation of sphere surface. Okay, alright, which is the previous one is z squared plus x squared plus y squared equal to 9, right? And then this time I want you to compare. Okay, so for this one, you already do the three traces. Okay, when y equal to 0, when x equal to 0, when z equal to 0, and you already obtain a sphere. Okay, which is at the radius 3. Okay, so you already have the circle here, alright, and then you already have the circle, this one from this one, from the x, okay, and from the y you already obtain here 3 also, okay, and then from z you already look at this one, this part. Okay, so this is the sphere that you obtain. Okay, so now what I want to show you is another equation. Okay, so this is the first equation. Okay, how about the second equation? How you want to sketch this? Okay, let's say the equation is sketch the following, which is the following is z equal to the square root of 9 minus x squared minus y squared. Okay, so let's say this is the original. Okay, it seems similar, this one and this one, isn't it? Okay, but basically it's different. Okay, so if you sketch this, all right, of course you need to have the three traces as well, because you have the three variable, right? Okay, so let's say you make it x equal to 0, okay, and then you have z equal to 9 minus y squared. Okay, so for this case, you need to remember back the revision for the graph. Okay, so for this one you have okay, how you have the z and y axis. Okay, all right, so it will be, okay, let's say here is y, here is z, and here is positive lah. Okay, because we only here is positive lah, because we only have this value. Okay, so basically, okay, you have radius at a, which is a is 9, which is a squared is 9, so a is 3 lah. Okay, so you'll have radius 3 here. Okay, so you will have 3 minus 3 and 3. Okay, but basically this one is a circle, but since it is a positive part only, so we have the semicircle here. Okay, alright, so now how about the next trace? Okay, so let's say you have a next trace, which is y equal to 0, for example. Okay, the next trace, so you have z equal to 9 minus x squared. Okay, so for this trace you will obtain the same thing, right? Okay, because this is positive. Okay, so this is x. What's this? Okay, so you have x, you have z here. Okay, so let's choose different color. Okay, so okay, alright, so still, okay, for this one you will have the semicircle. Okay, so you have 3 minus 3 and 3. Okay, alright, how about the last one? For z equal to 0. Okay, so for z equal to 0, alright, so sekejap I make it a line here. Okay, because it's different. Okay, so sorry for the messy part here. Okay, alright, so now for z equal to 0, okay, you will have z0, yeah, z0, so you have 0 equal, okay, 9 minus x squared minus y squared. Okay, so you rearrange, but 0, 9 minus x squared minus y squared, so you just bring this one, x squared plus y squared equal to 9. Okay, so now from here you know that, oh, this is a circle. Okay, right? for x and y, okay, with the radius 3, okay, so you will have this one, okay, you will have 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3, okay, right, because you have this equation. Okay, this one, the semicircle, you have this for y equal to 0, and for this one you have this equation. Okay, so now let's merge this. Okay, you want to merge all this, we will have the graph here. So we have y, z, and x. Okay, so now if we are at the x here, okay, so meaning that we will see the front wall, which is y and z plane. Okay, so basically we can see it is half, right? So 3 and minus 3, 3 here. Okay, and then if you are at the y here, okay, meaning that you can see the side wall, which is z and x axis. Okay, so basically you can see here macam ni. Okay, so which is minus 3 and 3. Okay, and now if you see the from the top, alright, which is you are at the z and looking down, and you basically you can see the trace for z equal to 0, which is a circle which is on the floor for the x and y axis. Okay, so basically it will be you can see a circle lah. Okay, so I'm sorry. Okay, so it's not, okay, so I don't know how to draw it. Okay, so okay, alright, so basically, okay, so it will be like that. Okay, where is my original? Okay, okay, so not so nice. Okay, I need to erase back so that you can clearly understand. Okay, alright, so I'm very bad on the drawing here. Okay, so the green, so that one is the, okay, again, yeah, so the green is x and y, so the green is x and z, sorry, x and z, which is here. Okay, and then you can see the blue, which is on the y and x. Okay, so y and z, which is the plane here. Okay, and lastly the purple, which is for the okay, so you can merge this one lah, the circle. Okay, alright, so basically that one is a circle. Alright, so this is the hemisphere, is it? Okay, alright, so hemisphere lah, half of the sphere. Okay, so yes, that is the difference between the equation here and the equation here. Even though you rearrange after that, you will obtain the full sphere here, but you need to look at the original equation that given it to you. Okay, alright, so that is the difference between the first equation here and the second equation.